Hey everyone, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Today we're looking at a product called Viral News Jacker by Glynn Kosky. So we'll go through the members area. Before we start though, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the links in my description for my free course on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Cool. So yeah, Viral News Jacker. So the reason why I'm making this, actually before I go into that. There's no sales letter, so I'm not going to be able to show you the sales letter. For some reason, it's just non-existent anymore. I've checked on Moya Plus. I've checked all the review sites that have this link on it, the viral news jacker link on it, and none of them work. So sales page is gone. So obviously they're not selling this anymore. But the reason why I'm making this, I don't know if you saw my 10x profit sites by Glynn Kosky. In there, he's got a free traffic module where he tells you to sign up to Affiliate Traffic Lab, Viral News Tracker, and Tube Traffic Machine. Now, this is complete waste of time. It doesn't work. It's unsupported. So yeah, don't even bother. I reviewed Tube Traffic Machine as well. It made the website. It pulled in videos from YouTube. Whether it gives you traffic or not is another matter. I don't believe it will. It did make the website, and Viral News Tracker, which is today's video, is actually similar to this. But what Viral News Tracker does is pull out news stories from various news sites and puts it on your website. It's a plugin and theme for WordPress, just like Tube Traffic Machine. So yeah, so you download your plugin, you got your WordPress theme, and then you just follow the training. Training is it's alright. It's not bad. It explains everything well. There's a few bits there. There's a few settings that you need to do. But Glynn does walk through it all. So yeah, fair play to him for that. There's quite a few things you can. So you've got ads around the site. You've got a call to action for your main call to action on the site, and there's an email opt-in uh, on the bottom of the page as well. So I built one using the plugin and theme. Now, this website I originally had, I made for a while back now for a plugin called News Builder. And every once in a while you see these news building sort of plugins come out. And that News Builder, it looked a lot better than this to be fair, but it just stopped pulling in content automatically. So I just forgot about it. But maybe this might do the same thing. For now, it seems to work. I made this last night. It looks like there's stuff coming in recently. So yeah, but like I said, that news builder. I can't remember who did it. I think is it Joshua Zamora or someone? One of the vendors. Same thing. It just brings in news articles. It had a better layout than this. I have to admit. This look. I don't like this top bit, and the top. This bit here is cut off. Don't like that. I don't know if it's just a setting in WordPress that can be sorted, but that's a bit annoying that. But yeah, we'll see how long this lasts for, because like I said, my experience with these things, they just stop working after a while. Yeah, so I'll just go inside, show you the actual plugin. One thing I will say though, so when I had that news builder plugin, I set it up and I forgot about it because it didn't, for me, it just wasn't going to work. But when I came back to this website to put this file on Newsjacker in, I noticed I had 140 comments, so I actually was getting a bit of traffic from there. And these are actual proper replies that I needed to approve. Some of them are a bit, just a bit dodgy. Like this one, call me. I'd love to talk to you guys and all this stuff. But some of these like this unions gain clout as Democrats. that one's got quite a few, what do you call it, comments. So I was quite shocked. This actually did get, not viral news tracker, but this news builder one actually did get a bit of traffic. So yeah, that was a bit shocking actually. I mean, these are all unpublished because I never actually approved any of these because I didn't know I had any of these, and I just made it. I mean, I kept an eye on it for a while, but because it stopped pulling in content automatically, I just kind of forgot about it all. And I came back here and I just saw 140 comments. So yeah, looks like I did get some traffic, but yeah. Anyway, so you got the theme. So you got theme options, and then you set it all up. You can put your images. I just made some stupid thing on Canva. Homepage settings where you can add um, ads, like get response. I've got a couple of get response ads there. I've got an ad, Thrive themes ad there. I've got groove pages ad on each post, on each article. Opt-in settings. Now with the opt-in, you have to get a HTML code. So I had to go to get response and get a HTML code. It's literally one category, which was the email and the submit. You know, you can't. You have to just get the bare basics and add the code in because you can't actually change. Let me show you. So you can't actually change the any of this. This stays as it is. So you just have to get the raw code so your email goes onto your autoresponder here and the subscribe button there. But all this is, you know, you can change the text, but you can't change the images or you can change this text as well. But the layout and the way it looks, that's it. So yeah, you know, that's the email opt-in. You got ads at the bottom. This is your main call to action that you can have on every article. Uh, that's it. Got a ad on the side there. I've got a get response one there. Got a groove funnels ad that you can put at the top. Well, any ad you want, but I've got a groove funnels one there. And then you can go to the actual plugin itself. Now you can add. So when the software pulls the images, you can change it to royalty-free images, so it's a bit different. And then you can set up your article sources. I've got quite a few because the only reason why I've done this many was because I had so many categories on the last one that I had to fill it all up again. Because I didn't uninstall WordPress and then reinstall it again, so it was like a blank thing. I just uploaded this plugin and then it just took all the same sort of like menus and different categories and stuff like that. So go to for if you want to add an article source, you select what you want. So just say Google News, how many articles you want a day. Then you go to the settings, and I've taken off comments because obviously I'm not really going to be keeping an eye on this. Do not spin. So obviously you can spin, but in my experience of spinning text, it doesn't make sense. Once it's spun, it's completely unreadable. So I never do any of that. Just leave it as it is. It keeps all the links and everything there, so people can say, well, you're not trying to make out as if it's your article. It's still branded by other people like BBC News or whatever. So I don't care as long as I'm getting the traffic. Category. So you can. I mean, I've added all these, so you can just add whatever you want. Images. If you want to get the image from that's actually in the new article, then you can just leave that ticked. Or if you want to replace with the royalty-free image, you just tick that there, and then you can add keywords. when you got translation, but I mean, you always keep it in English anyway, so it should be fine. I've just disabled all that. Press OK. Now you have to save, otherwise it's not going to go. Then you got it there. Then you just start it up. To start it, you just press run this rule now. So it says OK. Now that should come up with a tick. Sometimes it didn't because I think I've got Google News somewhere else. I thought I did. If it doesn't pull out, then it doesn't mean there's anything they've got. Well, not sure if that's not working or if it's there's no articles. So yeah, just leave it as that. Like I said, most of these had that sort of yellow diamond, but they still seem to have worked. So yeah, so let's just jump back in. And yeah, there it is. I mean, it works. Some of that bit just is really annoying that you can't see the top bit. But in his example, you could. So maybe there's just a setting I need to do on WordPress. But yeah, you've got an advert there, get response ad there. Got another get response ad in every fourth article. Yeah, so it works for now. Like I said, with Tube Traffic Machine. For how long? Who knows? Because if if WordPress just makes a slight change to something, this can just go down like that. And you know for a fact that these guys ain't supporting it now. So for now it works. And like I said, I actually got traffic from something that was different from this anyway, but it was the same sort of news building sort of site. But the thing is, it's all untargeted traffic. You need to have a hell of a lot of traffic just for someone to think, oh yeah, let me just. Because people are going to be looking for top stories. You might get someone. It's like hit and miss, isn't it? But you need to have a hell of a lot of traffic to get any sales out of this. A hell of a lot. And maybe when there's a breaking a really big news story come out and you manage to get it on here, you might get some organic traffic coming to it because people are searching for it and you come across your site. But the conversion rate is going to be so low, it's unbelievable. But like I said, the other site I had, it did get some traffic, but it's going to be all on targeted traffic. So I don't believe you're going to get a lot out of this thing. You're not gonna get your sales. It's just you just need to get some serious numbers coming to this. I mean, I've added my Facebook pixel, so I only just added it now, so there won't be anything on there. Uh, so if I do get any traffic, I'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm going to give this a 5 because it does work. For how long, I don't know. Traffic wise, whether this gets you traffic, it might do. If you're lucky enough to get a big story on there, you might get some organic traffic. I doubt that you're going to get enough sales on there. I mean, I'll leave it running and I'll get back to you, but I'll give it a 5 because I don't think it's gonna, it's just the amount of traffic you need coming to this. You might as well just do paid traffic campaigns on your offers, instead of relying on this. And this, I doubt, seriously doubt, I leave it running, but I doubt anyone's going to just enter the email on this. I mean, I would like to have added my own ebook picture and, been able to customize this, but yeah. And then I would have liked to have done a longer thing here. It didn't let me, so, I mean, it's similar to the Tube Traffic Machine theme and plugin, whereas, the layout and stuff, but like I said, I just believe you need a boatload of traffic come to this to even make a sale or two, man. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a 5, and I'll keep an eye on it if I get any sales or if I'm getting traffic through this. I'll update you, but yeah, no, I'll leave it there, guys. So 5 out of 10, only because it works. For how long? Don't know. This could drop off at any moment, and like I said, you're gonna need a hell of a lot of traffic coming to this just to get any sort of clicks on these things. So yeah, 5 out of 10. Cool. My name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out the links in my description for my free course on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.